So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to invest in natural gas here on Wealthsimple Trade. So before I get into this though, if you want to sign up for Wealthsimple, you can go ahead and use my rewards code or my referral link if you want. By signing up using this link, you get some money, I get some money, and you also enter a chance to win in a $1 million plus home. So the link to this is down below in the description or on the screen. But yeah, go to the search bar at the bottom, then go to the search bar at the top. And for natural gas, I want you to search up ticker symbol HUN. Then at the top here, the Global X Natural Gas ETF. Now, once you're on this page, I want you to go to the bottom left and select your account. In my case, I can select my first home savings account, my TFSA, or my non-registered. I'll just select non-registered for this video. Then go to the bottom and press on buy. On the buy page right here, you can either go ahead and select, the amount of shares you're looking to buy, or if you want to reverse and do a fractional buy, the amount of money you want to spend and how much shares that correlates to. If all looks good and you want to proceed, press on review. Now in this page, you can go ahead and review the transaction and review the order. And if all looks good, go to the bottom, press on queue order or press on buy, and then proceed that way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can invest or buy natural gas here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.